Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to delete a Facebook group chat. First of all, click this messenger and now click on see all in messenger, and from here open the group conversation which you want to delete. And after that click here chat members. Here you have to remove all the members, so I'm removing. Here's removing all the members from this group. Here is the group creator. Now click here and now click on leave group. Now click on leave group, and here we can see this group has been deleted. This is how we can delete a Facebook group chat. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.